Hello, this is Alexey. I continue to publish video tutorials and reviews. If this video will be useful to you, please subscribe to my channel and click on the like button under this video. In this way, you will help other users to find necessary information and my channel will be running better. All links from the video can be found in the description below. In previous free video tutorials, we create website on Joomla 4 from scratch. We used only free extensions. The result was a business website which was uploaded to the hosting. The previously recorded video tutorials for Joomla 4 are almost completely relevant for current version of Joomla 5.2. The information from this video review remains relevant for Joomla 4 as well. At least this is true on February 21, 2025. In this video review we'll talk about 4Command. 4Command is a Joomla component that allows you to use various keyboard shortcuts to execute different commands. The component works in Joomla 5, 4 and 3. The component can work in the modern version of browsers such as Google Chrome, Edge, Mozilla Firefox, Safari and so on. 4Command is tested on Windows and macOS. The component can be very useful if you don't like or cannot use a mouse. This extension can help experienced users to speed up their work in Joomla and make it more comfortable. Beginners will be able to search for some sections or options they need in one place in the command palette. In the article on my blog and on the developer's official website you will find a list on functions of this component. In the video I want to show you some examples. I work in Google Chrome browser and Windows 11 Pro. First, let's look at the command palette. After install you will see it here. Just click on it or you can enter Alt-Ctrl-X on your keyboard. There are a lot of different commands here. As you can see, this list is very big. I'll show you just few of them. For example, here in my menu, I have, for example, About your homepage menu item. I can exit it here, or let's go back. I can click here, enter it, or for example I can just start to enter from my keyboard and I can go here just in one click. So once more, just like this, or like this, open menu, main menu blog, click here and go here. Also, for example, I have cache enable, here it is. I can clear cache, delete all, or let's see, yes, we have deleted cache, or as you can see, I can enter Alt-Ctrl-C on my keyboard in Windows. Let's do that. And as you can see, cache was clear once more. Also, we can search, for example, plugins or modules. For example, here we can search load module like this, or we can search it here. We can publish it, unpublish it, or go to their settings, just in one click. Also, we can search for articles or articles category, just enter question mark and type, for example, blog. Here we can see I have article called blog and category called blog. Let's go to category called blog and here we can edit it. Let's see another example. For example, here is our article. Here we can switch the editor. For example, we can toggle it. That's not the same as switch the editor. So editor, we can select some of these editors, for example, Coda Mirror, update the page, and we switch the editor. Also, we can go back to TinyMS, just click update the page, and we can see some changes. Also, as you can see here, we have some tooltips, for example, add some changes, and don't click save here, Ctrl S on your keyboard, and it will save the article. Also, you can see some tooltip here. You can click save and close with your mouse, or you can use shortcut Alt-Shift-S. For example, like this. When you're on some lists page, for example here in the article, you can click New, or you can select Alt-Shift-N. And we can add new article. Also in categories, Alt-Shift-N, and we can add new category. For example, menus. Just click the same shortcut and you can create new menu item. Also, it works, for example, with modules and so on. Also, we have Lorem Ipsum sample text generator. Just click here. We can select some options and we can get it to the editor in few clicks, like that. Also, here we can use some calculator, and we have the answer. As you can see here, we can switch temp from light to dark. Also, we can go to shortcut list. We can see some help system. We can use this help system. This is a 4Command component. There are some shortcuts. Here in configuration, we can change some settings. For example, change shortcut to open dialog. Also, we can change colors and disable help system. As you can see, 4Command can be useful for both experienced and beginner users. I hope this review has helped you better understand the capability of this component. If you have questions, please leave them in the comment. If this video was helpful to you, please give it a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, this is Alexey, see you soon in new reviews.